naka-video?
Okay. O, Birdie, dito ka daw sa gitna.
Sige.
Okay. Ayan na si Birdie.
Hindi niya nakita.
Asan si ano? Nasyasyak si Tantan, no?
Baby, oh. Yung si Baby. Yung mata niya na. Nakita ko. Oo.
Hello, guys. Ayan, na si Birdie. Okay. Ngayon, naganda ng isang dance number si Birdie. Gusto niyo ba makita sumayaw si Birdie? Ay, ayaw lang na Birdie. Kanina, gusto ba? Okay, ayan na. Sasayaw na si Birdie.
O, dance ka daw. Low. Kaya takpan niya yung mukha niya eh. Hindi tayo mamarap dito. Hindi na niya ako.
Ayan, sandali lang.
I got to do this dance for y'all called Soulja Boy.
Ayaw lang si Birdie. Pwede rin. Sino gusto mo rin ma-showdown? Showdown with Birdie?
Why me crack it, why me roll? Why me crack that Soulja Boy and Superman and all that?
Okay, sino gusto mo rin ma-showdown?
Crack that sold out for me.
Meron prize.
Sold out for me. Crack that sold out for me. Soulja Boy up in the house. Why me crack it, why me roll?
Ang cute naman ni Birdie. Wala pa rin siya ng kaya.
Crack that sold out for me. 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 Soulja Boy up in the house. Why me lean and why me rock? Superman and hoe. Yeah, why me crack that Robocop? Super friend, now why me jump? Jocking on them, had them fight. When I do that Soulja Boy, I lean to left and crack that thing. Now you, I'm jocking on your bitch ass. And if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on your bitch ass. You catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters getting mad, cause I got me some baby, nigga. Soulja Boy, I send me hoe. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman and that hoe? Now why me crank that soda, 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 why me Soulja Boy, I send me hoe. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy, that Superman and that hoe? Now why me crank that soda, 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 why me.
Okay, ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Birdie. Ngayon, Birdie, bigyan ako sa tabi ko. Ngayon, gusto ko, magpo-proceed na tayo sa blowing of candle. Yung mga kids, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa harapan. Kakantahan lang natin si Tantan. Okay. O, nasan po ang ating birthday celebrant? Ang takpan ng mami. Asan si Tantan? Nawawala si Tantan. Yung birthday celebrant natin, dito siya. Ayan para si Tantan. Okay. O, Tantan with mami. Nasan po yung mga kids? O, tatayo na naman
Ito,
mga
basa.
kids.
Basa.
Okay. Ngayon, tatayo mo lang lahat.
Ayaw niya.
O, kakantahan lang natin siya. Ready? Baka na si Ate Kim para sa atin. No, Ate Kim? Happy birthday to you. Sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ngayon, gusto ko yung mas malakas yung clapping hands. Happy birthday to you. Sing! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, mami, may wish ka ba kay Tanta before they blow candle? Tama na. Gagawin mo pa lang siya. Sana lumaki na siya, okay? Ang wish naman po ng McDonald's, maging God-fearing person ka at lumaki kay Mami. Okay, o, blowing of candles na po. O, blow na ba? Blow na.